Hello, welcome to AutoCAD Adda, and my name is Hitesh Chaudhary. In the previous video, we learned about the hatch and draw order command. The link for the video is on the top right corner of the screen. In this video, we will be learning the basics of erase, move, and copy commands. The notes for this video are available for free in the description below. Before we start, click the subscribe button below to stay updated with the channel and press the bell icon so that you receive instant notification for new videos in this basic AutoCAD training series. So let's get started. So let us first get started with an erase command. This command is used to erase an object from the drawing area. So for this command, we have two different methods for activating. Firstly, we can click on erase tool in the modify palette, that is over here, or we can just type E in the command window for erase and we can press enter. Once the command is activated, we can just select the objects that we want to delete. So I have just selected two objects here and we just need to press enter. There is an alternative for the erase command, that is we can just select the object and we can press delete button on our keyboard. Next, let us have a look at the move command. This command is used to move an object in the drawing area from one location to another. So we have two different methods to activate the command. We can select the move tool in the modify palette from the ribbon that is over here, or we can just type M in the command window and we can press enter. So as we can see, the command is activated now. Once the command is activated, we just need to select objects that we want to move. In this case, we can also select multiple objects. So I have selected a rectangle and a triangle, as you can see, and I just need to press enter. So it will ask us for the base point. This is the point that the AutoCAD will be using as a reference for moving the object. Next, we just need to click on the screen for the selecting the base point, and as we can see, we can move the object. So I just want to remove this rectangle and triangle out of circle. So as you can see, they are out of circle, and I'll just click here so that they are out. So say supposedly I want to move the circle, I can select the circle first, then activate the move command. I will select the base point, and you can see we can also select the object first and then activate the command. Next, in line we have copy command. As the name suggests, this command is used for making multiple copies of an object. We can activate this command again in two different methods. We have this copy tool over here in modify palette in the ribbon, or we can type CO in the command window and we can just press enter. Once our command is activated, we just need to select objects for which we want to make multiple copies. So in this case, I want to make a multiple copy of the circle. So I'll just select the circle. Kindly note, we can also select multiple objects as we did in move command. So I have selected the circle and I'll press enter. Next, I just need to specify a base point. Using mouse, I'll be specifying a base point. So say supposedly I'll take this circle as a base point. Next, it is asking me to specify the second point. That is the point where I need to copy the circle. So in this case, I'll just copy the circle over here. As you can see, this command doesn't get deactivated. I can keep on specifying my second point, and we need to press enter or the escape key to exit from the command. Let us have a quick recap on whatever we have learned in this tutorial 7. Firstly, we had a look on an erase command. It is a command that is used to erase an object from the drawing area. We can access this command by two different methods. Firstly, we can select the erase tool from modify palette in the ribbon panel, or we can type E in the command window and press enter. Once our command is activated, we just need to select the object and press enter to erase it. We can also select multiple objects at once, or alternatively we can press delete button on the keyboard for faster operation. Next, we have seen move command. This command is used to move the object from one location to another in the drawing area, and we can access it by two different methods. Firstly, we can access move tool from modify palette in the ribbon panel, or we can type M in the command window and press enter. Once a command is activated, we just need to select the object and press enter. We can also select multiple objects at once. Then we need to select a base point using our mouse. So this is the point which we'll be using as a reference for moving the object. Next, we need to click on the screen for the secondary point for moving the object. At last, we have seen the copy command. It is used to make multiple copies of an object, and it can be accessed by two different methods. We can use copy tool from modify palette in the ribbon panel, or we can just type CO in the command window and press enter. Once the command is activated, we need to select the object and we can press enter. We can also select multiple objects at once. We need to specify a base point using mouse as we did in the move command. Next, we need to click on the screen for the secondary point for copying the objects. We can specify multiple secondary points to make multiple copies, and we need to press enter or escape key to exit from command. We can also select the object first and activate the command later. Please click on thumbs up to this video if you have liked the tutorial. Also, please share it with your friends. You can also have a look at the other tutorial videos appearing on your screen, and do share your feedback in the comments below. Also, let me know which command you would like to learn, and as always, thanks for watching.